the gutter, but I left my lover. What an expensive fate.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Lydia, and in case you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to my video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some bombast jewelry, and this company, they're an amazing company. They ship to me here in Nigeria, and their products are super affordable without being like, they're affordable and high quality. So that's what I was going to say, and it's from ITALO Jewelry. These are the products I'm showing you guys today, and I'll be having a giveaway, so you have to watch through the video to find out what I'll be giving away from this jewelry to someone special. And also a special thank you to ITALO Jewelry for sponsoring this video. I'm really grateful and I appreciate you guys. So yeah, let's get into the video, guys. So I ordered a necklace and earring piece from their website, and this is what the packaging looks like up close. A card that tells you how to keep your jewelry secure, how to clean up your jewelry, how to take care of your jewelry. It also comes with a silver polisher for polishing, silver polishing cloth for polishing your jewelry. It also came with your silver certificate and everything. Like, it came with a lot of information, and then this is what the boxes inside look like. I genuinely feel like these boxes are so sturdy. You can store your jewelry inside them. I'm just going to take them out and set this box aside. So this is what the first one looks like. This is a necklace, and guys, this necklace is so pretty. I don't even know if camera is going to do it justice. So I'm going to wear that in a bit, but I wanted to show you guys this as well. This is like, they look so pretty, my goodness. So their earrings, necklace, and then the star of the show. This is the engagement ring set, and I was so bummed when this engagement ring came around because it's still the same like packaging and all the information to take care of your jewelry, make sure you clean it properly, protect it from theft and all of that. And this is what the ring looks like, guys. This is what the ring looks like. It's such a pretty ring. Like, it's not my size, of course, so I'm going to be giving this out to someone, but you have to show me that you're engaged, and this could be a wedding ring as well, and it has to be your size. So I know what the size is. You have to know your ring size. So if you're engaged or you want to change out your wedding ring, let me know. Like, comment down below what your size is, and if you want it as a wedding ring or as an engagement ring. I'll pick someone out from the comments to win this ring. But this ring is so beautiful. Like, I was about to use it to catfish you guys. Like, I'll just randomly just wear it on my ring finger and just start doing a tutorial. And you're like, oh my god, you're engaged, oh my god, you're engaged. But I didn't want to do that. I would have done it if I got this ring in chose April time for April Fools. I would have definitely done that, but I didn't want to do it. So you can check my description box in case you're looking to try out new jewelry from them. They're very beautiful. Like, you can see the videos and the pictures I've shown you guys. They're very beautiful. In case you want to try them, I'll check my description box for like links to the exact set I have on here. If your wedding is coming up in 2020, you don't even know, get this. Like, it's so beautiful, and they have even much more beautiful bridal sets there for like your husband and your like husband and wife, male and female sets and all of that. A lot of sales going up on their website, and the jewelry set I showed is also in my description box. The engagement rings I showed is also in my description box. If you want to see more like styles, check my description box. They have amazing styles, and they ship to Nigeria. I got it via postal services. It was super amazing. So this is what it looks like on, and I absolutely love it. Like, I wanted to wait till this part of the video to put it on so that I feel like I'm looking like a wife. Like, if you want to check out this set I have shown here, check in my link, in my description box. I have a discount code as well in case you want to check out their products. I have a link also to check out their other sets. They have such beautiful sets. Like, I'm feeling like a wife already. Like, if my man should have proposed to me with this ring, I would have definitely said yes. because this is very much up my alley. So beautiful. So in case you want to win this for yourself, you can be a guy trying to win this to propose to your girl. It doesn't matter, just let me know your ring size. What a girl, guy, anyone can enter. So let me know your ring size for if you want to win. Comment it down below, and also the steps I've already mentioned in the video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching up until this point, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out Italo Jewelry. They're very affordable for really quality stuff, like, and they ship to Nigeria. They currently have ongoing sales, so do check that out as well. Give this video a thumbs up in case you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel in case you're not subscribed already, and that's also a criteria to win this. You have to be subscribed. You have to follow me on Instagram. You should know. I shouldn't be stating these things to you again. You should know it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.